Huawei just announced their latest Watch Fit 3 and I am astonished. I just got back from the launch and this thing is incredible. It does everything you'd need it to for a very, very good price. That's right, 2,999 Rand. For a fully fledged sport watch. My favorite part about the Watch Fit 3 is that it boasts a 10-day battery life without making it feel heavy at all. And let's be honest, we all know how annoying it can be when you're trying to sleep and this heavy thick-ass thing is on your wrist, or if you forget to charge your device because it only lasts a few hours. Over the last few months, I got this idea that Huawei has been focusing on three main things. The first thing is health. They've really been putting a lot of effort into making the watches fully fledged with all the health features that you can think of. For example, continuous heart rate monitoring, breathing monitoring, sleeping monitoring, even how much food you eat monitoring. It shows you how much you've eaten for the day when you log it into your watch, and it tells you how much you can still eat and how much you should eat if you want to lose weight, gain weight, stay at the same weight. It really is incredible at no extra cost. Yeah, that is something that our American friends can learn from. You don't have to charge for everything. The second thing is quality. I feel like Huawei has been embarrassing the rest of the world, showing them that you don't need to price something at an absurdly high price for a quality product. The Huawei Watch Fit 3 feels premium, it looks premium. It is a full aluminium body with a 60Hz display and it's 1200 nits of brightness, meaning you can walk outside and actually view your watch. It feels snappy, it feels fast because it has a fast processor in as well. It's high battery, high build quality, high responsiveness, and it comes with a whole host of apps that you don't have to pay extra for. Why hasn't this been a thing earlier? The third thing I think Huawei has really been focusing on lately is being fashion forward. They've been pushing the envelope, some of them not so cool. I must admit the FreeBuds, they're a little bit interesting, but besides for that, it's really good looking devices. Their new phones, the Huawei Watch Fit 3, it looks incredible. It's a fashion statement and it comes in a plethora of designs that you can choose from. My favorite being the red crown version, but I mean, that's totally up to you. One big thing we know Huawei has been struggling with is our freedom fighting friends there over in America, where they've kind of been imposing freedom on using Google. So we thought that this might be an issue for the wearable devices as well. However, luckily the Huawei Watch Fit 3 doesn't have these issues. You can still use it both on iOS and Android, which is really nice. You do miss two crucial features though. The first one is Find My. You can't get that on the Huawei Watch Fit 3, and also Apple Pay. But that's not because of Apple not allowing them to do that. That's just because they forgot to put NFC in the Huawei Watch Fit 3, which I find to be a deal breaker, to be quite honest. I'm one of those people that goes for a run without my phone, without my wallet. And when I come back, I want to get a coffee. Or when I meet friends, I want to stop and say, hey, let's have lunch together. And I can't do that with the Huawei Watch Fit 3. So I'm kind of forced to stick with this Apple Watch or my GT4. And this watch is marketed towards fitness people that do these types of things. I don't know, maybe that's just me. I think Huawei missed the mark here. They didn't miss the mark on anything else though. It's a good device. It has super cool features like GPS, for example. It can backtrack if you get lost on a hike. It shows you the whole map all the way back to where you parked. It also has a super user-friendly UI design. It's fast and snappy. I never got the feeling that it was slow. It's even faster than my GT4, which is a premium device. This is quite cool. There's only two things about this device that isn't good, and that is the NFC that isn't available and the bezels. I'm not the biggest fan of the bezels around the screen. However, they do hide it very well with their software. Every now and again, it still glimpses through and I'm like, oh yeah, this isn't a top tier device. That's the only thing that gives it away. The rest of it feels awesome. And I give it a total 8 out of 10. Highly recommend. I'll do a deep dive into the whole workings of this watch as soon as I get back home. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.